Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change the sound for camera and microphone use notifications on Chrome. If you've ever wanted a different alert tone when Chrome accesses your camera or microphone, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps to make it happen. It only takes a minute, and once you've done it, you'll have full control over the sound you hear for this specific notification. Let's get started. First, go to your phone's settings. This is where you'll find all the options to customize apps and notifications. Once you're inside, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of every app installed on your device. Next, look for Chrome and tap on it. This will open up the settings page for the Chrome app itself. From here, tap on Notifications. This is where all of Chrome's different notification categories are listed, each one handling different types of alerts. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This will break down the different kinds of notifications Chrome can send. Scroll until you find the option for camera and microphone use and tap on it. This is the category that controls the alert when Chrome is using your camera or microphone. Once you're inside, tap on Sound. This is where you can choose the tone that will play whenever this notification is triggered. You'll see a list of tones available on your phone. Feel free to preview them and pick the one that suits you best. After you've chosen your favorite sound, simply confirm your selection, and you're done. From now on, whenever Chrome uses your camera or microphone, you'll hear the specific sound you set. It's a small change, but it makes your notifications much more personal and easier to recognize. And that's it. You've successfully customized the sound for camera and microphone use notifications on Chrome. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to try out other notification settings in your apps and make your device feel even more tailored to your preferences.